Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to recover your Roblox account without having access to your email or password. Now, in this case, all you have to do is ask the support team of Roblox, and I'll quickly guide you guys through how you can do this with ease. So once you're here in the login page, just click on the URL search bar and put in support in place of login, then click on enter, and this is where you'll land onto. Over here, just put in your date of birth. It doesn't need to be accurate. If you do remember it, that's well and good. Just put it in just as it is. And once this is done, you can click on continue. Now this is important. Make sure you put in the username of the account that you want to get recovered, which means if that account is hacked or you forgot the password or the email, make sure you remember at least the username or the email that is associated with that account. Now for this case, I remember the username, so I'll put that in. And you can even fill out all the other steps. I'm not going to do that since that is personal, but make sure you put in the email address. At least put in the email address that you currently have access to so that they can give you the password resetting link to this email. Now, if you do remember the old email, that is good as well. You can put that in and that will help them verify your account even further. And once you have put all of this in, make sure you select the correct detail of the issue. Click on this and select where or the platform that you've played most on. So I'll click on PC and select the type of help that you want. This is the best one right here, account hacked or can't log in. Select that, and then you can even select a subcategory on what it is. So as you can see, these are all the options. I'll currently select account hacked and I'll put in the description of the issue. Make sure you put in something nice. You can pause the video and copy this if you want to. This is a good template that I found on YouTube and it really works. This is a great message. Once all of this is done, you can just click on continue and Roblox team will get to you and send you the reset link if they feel like you are the right person or the right owner of that account. Yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can recover your Roblox account without having access to your email or password. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.